Hey girls, stop scrolling. This bright story will shock you. Hello everyone, this is Sanchu from Safa. Long time no see हा. त्या स्टोरीवर तर आपण नंतर बोलूयात. पहिले आपण आपल्या ब्राईडची स्टोरी ऐकून घेऊयात. Few days back one bride came to us. She had done acrylic extension from somewhere else for her wedding day. But guess what? वेडिंगच्या दुसऱ्याच दिवशी she was in an extreme pain. ॲक्रेलिकने तिचे क्युटिकल्स कम्प्लिटली सील केले होते. इवन स्किनवर पण प्रोडक्ट लागलेला होता. इमॅजिन युअर स्पेशल डे टर्निंग इन टू पेन. Just to save few rupees, please don't compromise on quality, girls. But don't worry, she came to us. We gently removed her acrylics with the proper care and instantly she felt so much relief. Endless she was smiling again and that's what matters. So, choose safe and choose professional, girls. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.